It's my
Hello guys, this is Graphite. Today we are going to create this lyrical video on Alight Motion. So let's get started. For that, open Alight Motion and create a project. Now add the music which you want to make lyrical video. Now go to text and type the words of the music like this. Take the font Montserrat bold and choose white color. Now go to move and transform and adjust the size and align it to the bottom right corner. Like this. Add keyframes at the first and middle and move it to the center. Again add a keyframe at the end and move it to the side like this. Now we need to add some smooth movement to this text. For that, go to graph and arrange it like this. Now go to the middle of last two keyframes, then go to graph and arrange it like this. So it will make some smooth movement to the text. Now go to Effects, Move or Transform and take Swing. Click Standard Settings. Change the angle 1 to -3.7 degree. And add a keyframes at both ends, then change it to 0. Go to Graph and click that 3 dots and enable Overshoot. Now arrange the graph like this. Again click that 3 dots and copy the curve. Go to angle 2 and change it to 3.7 degree. Then add keyframes at ends and change it to 0 degree. Go to graph and paste the curve that we already copied. Now change the phase to 0.50. Go to Effects, Distortion or Warp and take Pinch or Bulk. Click Standard Settings. Change the strength to 0.84 and add keyframes at ends, then change it to 0. Now go to graph and paste that curve. Change the radius to 4, means 2.500. We need to add some motion blur to it. For that, go to Effects, Blur and take Motion Blur. Now change the tune to 0.80. Again go to effects and take pinch or bulk. Change the strength to 0.78. Add keyframes at ends, then change it to 0. Radius to 2.500. Take strength and go to curves, then change it like this. The effects we need to apply is finished. Now duplicate it and change the text and then arrange it to the music like this. You can use speed tool for adjusting it by increasing or decreasing. Now I am adding fade out effect to the music by adding keyframes. The video is ready to be exported. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. See you in next video.